Boing. This looks pretty nice. Getting a back's aching. What I do with the microphone? I don't know if this microphone's working or not. So today, I guess I'll speak up if this works. If it doesn't, there you go, it's working. So today I have received und Package. I ordered this package, and honestly, this is the ultimate disrespect. Realistically, a Festool box, really? It's not Festool, I'll tell you that much. So I ordered a package from Ultimate Tools. Their web address is actually going to pop up on the screen. As we all know, for my walnut display cabinet, which I've been building slowly but surely, I wasn't going to hand sand all those little nooks and crannies. Wait, this is, can't think it's well packed. But on the 12th of April, I ordered a sander because I wasn't going to hand sand all of those little nooks and crannies. So I ordered this, even though it's in a Festool box. I ordered this sander. So I'm going to tell you a story about my experience with Ultimatetools.ca. Overall, pretty good. 50 sheets of 150, 50 sheets of 180, 50 sheets of 150, 50 sheets of 120. They'll go up into my little storage nook in the ceiling. And then a Deros Delta direct electric orbit sander. Remember kids, their warranties are all a bit fucking weird. Made in Finland. Bluetooth sander. Like I need Bluetooth on my sander. It's a fucking sander. Da, da, da. Extra bits of paper. Hello darkness, my old friend. Another power cable which I don't need. And a little thing that will go in my case. And then the instructions. Manual bag for this can go higher. So, on April the 12th, I ordered the sander from Ultimatetools.ca. I didn't see any movement on the order for a couple of days. So, I gave them a call and said, hey, what's going on with this order? Ooh, I do enjoy the little pad sander and the saver pads they've got. Same connection as my other one, so it's going to be easy. They give me a, what's this? An Iridium 240, a 180, a 120, and an 80, which is actually kind of handy. So I gave them a call. I said, hey, I ordered this. I've seen no movement because I needed it to finish that walnut display case. And they're like, sorry, we just sold out. Our last one's not in inventory. We've ordered another supplier. It'll be with you in a bit. Now, Festool, Merca, whatever, they're expensive tools. I like the weight of this. They're very expensive. This sander is $792.46 with free shipping from BC, and that's with the 3 boxes of sandpaper. If you get it from Lee Valley, which, don't get me wrong, I can drive to Lee Valley very, very quickly. It is $724 plus tax, which is $832.42. So, ordering it saves me about $40. And I have to wait for it because obviously it has to ship from BC to Quebec. Actually, I was actually incorrect. Sorry, the kit, because Lee Valley does actually sell the kit. It's $831 plus tax, which means it's $955. So straight out, ordering from Ultimate Tools on this sander and this sandpaper has saved me $162.98. I had to wait for it. They didn't have it in stock, and I spoke to, I believe his name is Brian Mendez from Ultimate Tools, going, hey, where's this? And he said, sorry, we don't have it. He went and spoke to Merca and said, hey, can we drop ship this sander and this sandpaper to me so I'd get it sooner? Merca said, no, it has to come to your warehouse before it gets shipped out. This actually arrived at Ultimate Tools on Friday. FedEx was a little bit late, but it arrived on Friday. It was then immediately shipped out to me over the weekend, and it arrived today. So this shipped Friday, today's Monday, it got here in 3 days. Now, I saved $162.98 by ordering through Ultimatetools.ca. Because Merca wouldn't actually drop ship it to them, they actually gave me a discount of $79.24, a 10% discount. Now this already was, I think, this was already on sale. It was 11% off of normal retail. So I saved 11%, and then because of the hassle and me actually needing it, I actually saved 21% on normal RRSP, recommended retail sales price. So this has actually cost me less. So my discount on this tool, because of the inconvenience, was $242.22. The customer service from Ultimatetools.ca has been superb. They're a little bit slow on answering emails, but they do put out a large volume of tools. They do Powermatic. I wonder if I can get a discount on a Powermatic sander, belt sander, the drum sander. I think there's a lot of volume going through there. I know they have a retail store as well. So they're a little bit slow on answering emails. But, I phoned Brian last week, I think it was, Friday, going, or was it email? I contacted him a second time, went, hey, are we on track for this? He went, yep, FedEx just arrived. I'm going to get it. I'm creating the label now. It'll be with you on Monday. And true to their word, it turned up on Monday. Right? You guys are stand-up, hardcore tool dealership. They sell Festool as well, if you're a Festool monkey. But I'm not. I've got my Merca set up, and I needed a fine detail sander, which is what this is. So I ordered this. So $792.46, free shipping from BC, which is cheaper than $955.44 from Lee Valley. That's tax in. Also, if I didn't drive there, also I'd have to pay for shipping, which is probably going to be another $25. So you're looking at more like $975 because I couldn't be asked to go drive there. So the saving I got from Ultimatetools.ca is well worth the wait. And if you're in Canada and you're looking for tools, I highly recommend them. Great customer service. They don't BS you. You straight out get what you ordered. And it came. All right, it didn't come in time. It took a bit longer. But you know what? For a $200-something saving, I'm happy to wait. Nice work, Ultimate Tools. Pleasure doing business with you. I'll see you again soon. Peace.